This tutorial will explain how to update or delete a recurring billing entry in Brokermint. Navigate to Users under Settings, locate and click an agent whose recurring billing entry you'd like to update or delete. On the right side panel, click the Billing section to open it up. Under Recurring Billing, locate and click the entry you'd like to update or delete. If you want to delete the entry, click Delete Recurring Billing at the bottom of the dialog box. If you'd like to update the entry, click the fields and make your changes. You can update anything except for the payer. For the start date, you can select a past date only if this was the entry's original start date. When you're finished with your updates, click Update. You're all set. Thanks for watching and have a great day.